Hi everyone, my name is Kirby Piazza. I'm from Lancaster, Pennsylvania. And for this assignment, we were to choose three assets that we feel we can bring to the class. So the first asset I would say that I have is that I have many years experience working in mental health. I worked as a TSS, I worked in family-based therapy, and I currently work as a case manager. Um, I have I've had to learn to navigate different types of people in the different positions that I've held, and people with different backgrounds, experiences, different traumas, and different goals that they had for treatment. Um, which leads me to my next asset, which is that I'm a people person, and I love to help others in any way that I can. I tend to put others' needs before myself, which can be a good thing as well as a bad thing at times, but being able to go the extra mile for others gives me joy, and seeing others succeed and exceed their own limits is amazing to me. Um, and lastly, an asset I bring to the class is that I'm very analytical with the way that I think. I like to explore the reasons behind things and be creative in how I approach situations. Um, I try to always put myself in other people's shoes to be able to relate to their experiences, even if I've never had that experience before. I think it's really helpful. Um, Being curious and just asking questions to expand on existing knowledge will only help shape us into being better social workers, and I think that's why we are all here. So I'm excited about this class. I can't wait to get to know everybody, and thank you so much for watching.